sitting next to a stranger in a public transport or in your office or anywhere. You will not talk to them person because he or she is a stranger. But say for instance the person sitting next to you is your old friend or your old colleague. Then the conversation is very interesting and it's very long. Similarly, when God is not stranger, you will enjoy his company. Amen.